Hey y'all, here's the Solvtin multifunction jump starter, model 6S6, and we'll be just doing a little unboxing in this first part and then a jump start in this head. So here are the specs. The company reached out to me and asked if I would try their product and post a review online, so here we go. So you can see here it comes in a nice carrying case, which I wish my other ones did as well. Well, I might have come with one, if I remember. But anyway, I like this little pack because then you won't be going looking for the cable and such elsewhere, and it's hard. So it'll protect the device. That's a good start. Got a little divider right here. It's nice. I feel like a T-Rex. Trying to unbox this with one hand. Alright, so here we got on button. Okay, we've got, not sure, this is not a button right here, I don't think. We've got a compass. Okay, I don't imagine much people will be using the compass. Yep, that's correct. I know where it is, so that's right. Okay, we got a flashlight, that's useful. Let's see if it has a charge out the box. Oh, I think it's full. Okay, that's the flashlight mode. Not too bad. We got strobe, SOS, I guess. Okay, this is where the jump starter. Oh no, this is definitely the charging plug for the device. 15 volt. Oh wait, no, it says 15 volt out. Interesting. Read, Nick. Okay, so you got an out, a 15 volt out. I don't know what that would power. That's interesting though. And then we got jumper cables. You know, no, this has to be, wait, no. There we go. So next to the flashlight, that's slightly weird positioning, but next to the flashlight, we got, this has got to be the input, right? So this is the charging. Okay, and you got two USB charging outs. So one is 2.4 amps. The other is a 5 volt, 12 volt. Interesting. 9 volt out. Huh. And you got an in, out, 18 watt Type-C charger. That's good. That'll charge your cell phone pretty fast. Okay, so we got the specs right here. Battery capacity is 55 milliwatts, 400 amps, and that's peak current. That's probably 12,000 output at 14.8 volts. Okay, so got a well-spec device here. So it's got a good amount of battery. You got 55 watt hours here. That's a lot. That seems like a lot for a pack this size. Okay. Okay, so we got a cable here for this. Oh, okay, so that's what the out is for. Now I understand. You can actually power your car devices from this, or at least recharge them. Excellent. That's a handy feature. maybe a laptop. You can even probably charge your laptop through this. Okay, then you have two USB-C type cables. One is probably for charging the device, and one is for charging things from the device that take. So if you have an Android, you can plug this into the USB, recharge your Android with a USB-C real quick, or you can plug your Apple recharging cable right here because it's a in-out, so that'll charge your phone real quick. I think it's a device, it's like a step-up device, basically ramps up the amperage in here to jumpstart your car, if I understand that correctly. And it has instructions right here. So we will test that right Once now. You manage that, there's instructions in the back, which are not gonna be fun to read, probably, because if you're stranded, you're a little nervous, and make sure you read these instructions carefully. So you're gonna connect the clips, one to the positive terminal, one to the negative terminal. I'm actually just gonna disconnect the battery first, and we're gonna give it a go in that way. And then we'll see where it goes from there. Okay, so the way you get this going is you open up the case and you line up this stepper or step-upper. We'll get you the current that you need from a regular lithium battery. With one hand, it's not fun, but we should be able to manage. Okay, so we just connect the negative to the negative. You can connect this to the body. It's actually the official way to do it is to connect the negative clip to the body of the car somewhere that's grounded. You can do it on the engine, for example, anywhere is a good place. And one to the battery. That's the official way to do it. So we could try that. Here we have what do you call this? This is a well-grounded point. So we're gonna connect to that, and we're gonna connect positive to the positive. Then instructions, connect the 2 clamps, sorry, only for 12 volt vehicles. Red clamp for red, black for black, green light on, start the vehicle. Okay. So, it didn't say to click boost, but okay, I think that's what I was supposed to do. So we got that going. The green light is on. Let's go try to start her. Yep. It's a little dark in here, but there's not much to see other than the key going in the ignition. We have lights and sounds. That's a good sign, right? Ah, there you go. Started right up. The battery's not connected, as you can see. Right? Got negative on the body, positive on the battery. And that gave us start. Excellent. So you want to disconnect this usually, but well, I don't know what effect that's going to have on the car. My car's still running. And there's no battery connected. Well, that's normal, right? If you start a car, it'll run even with a dead battery. But I don't really advise driving a car with a dead battery. Okay, step number 2, boost is on, battery connected. I heard the pump prime. Starts right up. Right up. I mean, zero hesitation. And we are running. All right, let's turn it off. I can still see the green light. I don't know if you can. I know it's still powering it. I'll give it another go. Oh, nope, the light must have went out. But we can leave the key in the position. And when we push the boost button, boost, boop, you can hear everything power on. So it's actually doing a fantastic job at powering all the items. Even when it's basically running the car off that thing, which is impressive. It means it's giving it giving it all the power that it needs to prime the pump and get everything going. I think the engine is running pretty smoothly here. No shaking or anything. Which means this thing is applying plenty of power. And look, we still have 2 bars left. I think we've already started it 3 times. Chime's a little weird, but it's just old. Okay. This button isn't my favorite. Oh, I hear things powering up. Well, the little boost button is a little, I don't know. It feels a little... The boost button feels a little tiny and a little kind of... Oh, I think it's probably because it's detecting a charge from the alternator coming back. So it's blinking to let you know that, you know, it's probably not... Okay, so I wanted to conclude this product test with the ultimate test, and that is to see if I can run a pump from the from this battery. And so you're stranded without a battery and you need to inflate a tire. Obviously you could jump start your car first, but let's say, you know, for whatever reason, this is a good test because there's a huge draw that's made by these pumps. So we're not gonna try to inflate much, but we're just gonna try to see if there's any viability to the battery in terms of providing an output source of energy. Okay, that's really good. So I think that concludes the test of this thing, and yeah, I can recommend it. So thanks for watching.